and welcome to another video with Lynn Health Europe. Today we're gonna talk about the hair transplant Turkey reviews and what patients really say about hair transplants in Turkey. Stay with us to know more. What do real patients have to say about their hair transplant journey in Turkey with Lynn Health? In this video, we highlight why Lynn Health stands out as a leading destination for high-quality hair restoration at unbeatable prices in Istanbul. Unmatched expertise and precision. Patients constantly praise Lynn Health's expert surgeons who specialize in hair transplants, ensuring that every procedure is tailored to the patient's individual needs. The team's years of experience and attention to details provide top-tier results, leaving patients with natural-looking and permanent hair that boosts their confidence. Exceptional patient care. What really sets Lynn Health apart is their personalized care. From the moment patients arrive in Istanbul, the clinic's professional team provides a seamless experience, from consultations to post-op checkups. The patient-first approach means patients feel informed, comfortable, and supported at every step of the way. Stress-free recovery. Unlike many clinics, Lynn Health offers continuous support during the recovery phase. With easy-to-follow aftercare instructions, virtual check-ins, and 24/7 assistance, patients enjoy smooth recovery with minimal discomfort, making the healing process quicker and easier. It's also a luxury experience in Istanbul. It's not just about the procedure. Lynn Health elevates the hair transplant experience by offering a luxury medical tourism package. From airport transfer to the 5-star accommodations, patients enjoy a stress-free trip and full access to Istanbul's rich culture, ensuring they get the best of the both worlds. Quality healthcare and an unforgettable travel experience. Now, when it comes to hair transplants, Lynn Health stands above the rest. Patients agree that it's not just the results that matter, but the care, attention, and overall experience they receive. Affordable, professional, and life-changing, Lynn Health is the choice for those looking to restore their hair and confidence with a world-class team. Thank you for staying with us during this video and hearing about the patients' reviews on hair transplantation in Turkey. Now, if you have any comments, do not forget to leave it in the comment section below. And if you want to also have a free consultation, do not hesitate to contact Lynn Health Europe. Hope to see you soon.